Hey everyone! Welcome back to Qzcore. Today, we're diving into some super cool and mind-blowing facts about the human body. From why we get goosebumps to the mystery of brain freeze, we've got 15 fun and tricky questions that will test your knowledge. So grab a pen, keep track of your answers, and let's see how well you really know your own body. Ready? Let's go! Why do we get goosebumps when we feel cold or scared? A. To release heat from the body. B. To make our skin smoother. C. To trap air and keep us warm. Answer: C. To trap air and keep us warm. What causes our stomach to growl when we're hungry? A. Air escaping from the stomach. B. Contractions of the stomach muscles moving gas and fluids. C. The stomach producing acid for digestion. Answer: B. Contractions of the stomach muscles moving gas and fluids. Why do some people have dimples while others don't? A. Extra fat deposits in the face. B. A shorter muscle in the cheek. C. An overactive facial nerve. Answer: B. A shorter muscle in the cheek. How does our brain store and retrieve memories? A. By using electrical signals to encode and recall information. B. By growing new neurons every time we learn something. C. By storing data like a computer in a fixed location. Answer: A. By using electrical signals to encode and recall information. Why do we experience brain freeze when eating something cold? A. The cold food freezes brain tissue. B. The nerves in the roof of the mouth react to the cold and cause blood vessels in the brain to constrict. C. The stomach sends a signal to the brain to slow digestion. Answer: B. The nerves in the roof of the mouth react to the cold and cause blood vessels in the brain to constrict. What causes hiccups, and why do they sometimes last so long? A. Spasms of the diaphragm. B. An excess of oxygen in the lungs. C. A buildup of stomach acid. Answer: A. Spasms of the diaphragm. Why do we yawn, and is it really contagious? A. To release extra carbon dioxide. B. To cool down the brain. C. To increase blood circulation in the face. Answer: B. To cool down the brain. How do our bones heal themselves after a fracture? A. New bone cells grow to replace the broken ones. B. Scar tissue forms to hold the broken pieces together. C. Cartilage replaces the bone permanently. Answer: A. New bone cells grow to replace the broken ones. Why do our fingers wrinkle when we stay in water for too long? A. The skin absorbs water and expands. B. The body reacts to improve grip in wet conditions. C. The blood vessels shrink due to temperature changes. Answer B. The body reacts to improve grip in wet conditions. How does the body regulate temperature to keep us from overheating? A. The brain stops digestion to focus on cooling. B. Sweat evaporates and cools the skin. C. The heart slows down to conserve energy. Answer B. Sweat evaporates and cools the skin. Why do some people sneeze when they look at bright light? A. Their eyes produce too much fluid. B. A nerve reaction between the eyes and nose. C. Their body is allergic to bright light. Answer B. A nerve reaction between the eyes and nose. What makes blood types different and why can't all types mix? A. The shape of the red blood cells. B. The presence of specific proteins on red blood cells. C. The amount of oxygen each type carries. Answer B. The presence of specific proteins on red blood cells. Why do we see colors in our eyes when we rub them? A. The brain is confused by pressure signals. B. Light gets trapped inside the eyelids. C. The pressure stimulates the retina, sending random signals to the brain. Answer C. The pressure stimulates the retina, sending random signals to the brain. How does our body know when to wake up without an alarm? A. The pineal gland stops producing melatonin. B. The lungs adjust oxygen levels to stimulate alertness. C. The stomach signals the brain that digestion is starting. Answer A. The pineal gland stops producing melatonin. Why do some people have allergies while others don't? A. Some immune systems overreact to harmless substances. B. Allergies are caused by a lack of oxygen in the blood. C. Only people with weak immune systems develop allergies. Answer A. Some immune systems overreact to harmless substances. And that's a wrap. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments below. If you had fun learning something new today, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome content, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our next exciting quiz. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious, stay awesome, and keep learning. See you in the next video.